inside shoulder. Keep him nice in between the aids. Wiggle the bit, pick his head up a little bit. Now breathe and soften and relax. Good, go right and come off the ox or off the right. Yep, get him back. Like you're gonna halt. Yeah. Shift his weight from front to back. Yep, sit down, good, good. Yep. Aids, aids, aids. Seat and leg. Yep, don't let him pull you. Shuffle the bit. Half halt. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. One more. Good. 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 Yeah, like that. And then soften and breathe. Don't hold your breath. There, perfect.
Nice.
Good. And walk. Good.